So this is a quick look at the MODL water bottle kind of system. It's more of a water bottle and filtering system. I think they describe it as kind of the first water multi-tool, and actually that's very much what it is. It's in the centre of the whole thing is a very, very hyper flexible bottle that they've got here. It's a 1 litre, so about 36 ounce bottle. It's pretty flexible, and you can put it in a washing machine as well, a dishwasher as well, which makes it useful for cleaning it up after use. If you have a look, it's got screw caps at both ends, which is what makes it so modular. So what you can do is you can have it as a conventional, just a water bottle like I've got it here, so you can fill it with fresh water, unscrew the top and drink from it just like a normal bottle. But what you can also do is take the cap off and replace it with this cap, so you've now got a nozzle. So instead of a screw off drink bottle, you can drink from a nozzle instead. And then in addition to just the nozzle, you can add on instead the long bite valve with a pipe, just like you would have with a bladder in your backpack. So you can effectively mount this in your backpack and have this attached to the top here and drink from the back. And then inside you've got a filter here, which you attach to the inside here of the bottle, and so you can filter anything you fill up with, will just filter automatically for you as well. There's also some different mount clips here, so you can mount this more securely from the clips at the top and bottom on the outside of your bag, which is kind of cool as well. And then the final feature that it's got that I really like is just this little one here. It's a bit harder to see. It's actually got a few holes in it. The reason it's got holes in it is you can effectively use this as a small 1 litre drip shower or squeeze shower if you want to wash when you're on trail. The final thing that I really like about it is how squishy it is. If I take one of the caps off, you can see the decent screw cap it's got, but you can just see how squishy it is. So when it's empty, you can effectively fold it up into a pretty flat little thing just to take up less space when it's empty. So the advantage of this kind of system over anything else I've ever used before is you've got the option to purify if you need it, and this is a replaceable cartridge. I think you can replace for about 30 bucks, which is great. So you've got the option to purify water if you want, and I think from my calculations it was good for about 1,500 litres or more. But you've also got the option to use it as a bladder with a mouthpiece and mount this in the back of your bag if you want to. You've got the option to have it as a standard kind of chug bottle on the front and just have a screw cap and just drink from it like a huge great bottle. You've got the option to have it like a squeeze bottle. You've got the option to then reattach with the long, and then finally you've got the option for the shower as well. So for me, what it does is it bypasses the need to have a separate bladder in the back, a water purification thing as well to purify water, and some front bottles as well. It kind of combines all three. And I think the thing that surprises me the most, I don't entirely guess it's to do with the shape, is it doesn't look big enough to hold a litre or 36 ounces, and yet that's how much it holds. So yeah, overall great little product, very well made. And I think the final win for it is the fact that it's dishwasher safe as well. But that's the MODL water purification bottle system.